In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Marvel's Spider-Man 2 on your PC. If you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we will start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, open your Google browser. We need to locate the game on Steam first before we can proceed with downloading it. So go to Steam, after that go to the search bar, and once you are there, search for the game Marvel's Spider-Man 2. Scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, it is a quite expensive game, €59.99. So what you need to do next is open the video description, go to the link where it says find game here, and click on that link. You will be redirected to this website, and here we are going to search for the same game. Select games on the left side. After that, go a little bit down, and what you need to do is select the PC under devices, and then we will go back up and we will select sort by price lowest first. So once you have done that, there will be popping up some games, and we need to watch this text. It needs to say can be activated in and then your country. So the second one is the first one available, but if we scroll a little bit down, then you will see that there are some other options. Because we already can buy this game for €49.60. So if you click on this one and you are buying this game for €50, then you are already saving yourself €10 on this game. And that is basically how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. If you buy this game, you will get an email confirmation with all the steps to activate this game in Steam. So the same game as on Steam, but a little bit cheaper. I hope these tips were helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!